everyone. So doing something a little different, I wanted to show you some of the different workshops that I'm going to be hosting in the month of February here at our office. So I just want to review quickly because it's not our typical calendar. So I want you to pay attention to a couple special events and workshops that will be going on in February. So briefly, if you look at all of the Mondays over there, you're going to be seeing that from 9:30 to 11, there's prospecting. So what that means is I'm going to be here in the office in one of the conference rooms, and I'm going to be conducting prospecting calls. So anyone is welcome to come in if you want to call your Sphere, Expireds, FSBOs, open house follow-up leads, whatever it is that you need help with. I'm going to be here and I'm going to be making calls every Monday from 9:30 to 11. In addition, going over for some consistency, you'll see on Wednesdays from 12 to 1 p.m., I'm going to be conducting a virtual prospecting event. So that is going to be held through the Teams application. I'm going to basically be logging on, and anyone who would like to join, I'll be doing some scripting and role playing in the beginning. Every week we'll have a topic, so we'll start with our Sphere, past clients, open house lead follow-up, those easier conversations. And then as we progress through the weeks, the calls will be more towards FSBOs or expireds, that type of a little more difficult conversion. So that's going to be every Wednesday. If that's something that you would like to join in on, please, whenever I send out the invite, reply back to me and let me know that you want to be a part of it, or even shoot me a text the day of, whatever it is, because I'm only going to invite those people that want to participate rather than bothering the whole office with another full office email. So those things are going to be consistent. And then lastly, on Fridays, I'm going to begin a farming workshop. So I've had several really good conversations with a lot of you. Farming is something that you want to begin implementing in your business in 2020 as a regular occurrence. So really cool, quick story. I was talking to Roxanne this morning, and she's been doing some direct mailing and targeting a specific neighborhood where she's had some past sales, and she actually sent out a little handwritten note card on the free postcards that I provided to her, and she sent it out simply to the street where she just sold a listing, a $450,000 listing, and she said, "I just sold your neighbor's house. Call me if you have any questions, or if you'd like a market analysis," something like that. She got a call from a postcard. She went on the listing appointment today, another $450,000 house. She got the listing. So I think it's really beneficial. So every Friday from 3 to 5, I'm going to be, again, in a conference room, taking the time to sit down with those of you who are interested in this. The first couple workshops we're going to work on, there is an algorithm to an extent of neighborhoods that you want to target, seeing what the turnover rate is. Do they have a dominant real estate agent already in that neighborhood? So we'll be doing that the first couple weeks. I ordered more postcards, I ordered supplies, I ordered plastic bag door hangers, so you can put in, a listing concierge flyer, an about me flyer, whatever it is. So I think that will be really fun. So things to pay attention to. Our kickoff meeting on the 11th, please, please, please sign up for this. It is an amazing event. You're not going to want to miss it. Kate Rossi is going to be our keynote speaker, and she can motivate anyone, I promise you. There will be some listing concierge and revitalize workshops every single Wednesday as well, following this workshop of the listing ladder. So kind of going with the theme here, let's work smarter, not harder. Let's focus on listings. Let's increase our inventory so we can get some of those buyers' houses so that we can close those transactions. So we're going to, again, be focusing on the listing ladder. So where do we start? Those easier conversations, your Sphere, your friends, your family. Next, open house clients, leads, follow-ups, past contacts that maybe they've fallen off on, but you had a connection with them at some point in time. Expireds, at one point in time, they were willing to pay a commission and they understood the value of a real estate agent. And then for sale by owners. So really cool stuff. I truly hope you guys take advantage of all of these workshops, all of this training. You know, this industry, it's a beautiful thing because the sky's the limit. And Coldwell Banker, myself, this office, I mean, we have so many resources and so much support that I just truly hope you take advantage of them and allow your business to grow in 2020. So a ton more stuff going on in February, but just a few things I wanted to point out specifically. Really looking forward to it. And please, 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 please mark your calendar for next Tuesday, February 4th. Diana will be here for, I think, 9 to 2 to help with social media, and she will be the one running the sales meeting from the social media perspective. So really cool stuff. I look forward to working with all of you and having a great 2020. Thanks.